What kind of coins can you buy with $75 US dollars? Well, you could buy 1 gram of gold if gold's your thing. Nice little bold button there from the Royal Mint. A tiny little portrait of the Queen. You could go for silver, which would get you almost 3 ounces, depending on what you're buying. Or you can do what I did, and you can forego the precious metals for once and get a big pile of numismatic coins. Let me show you what I got. We'll start here with some of these US pieces. I'll start with a nickel, 89 S proof. It's kind of fun to see these because typically you see them circulated in the US, and so it's not often you get to see the nice proof finish on that. I got all these on eBay, by the way. I'll tell you who I got them from at the end of the video. I got one of the 92 silver dimes, again proof. These definitely came from a mint set. Beautiful shiny little dime there. Little chunk of silver. This is a 65 Canadian dollar. Came from a mint set. It's a 0.8 fine with silver. Very pretty. Check out that 1965 on the back on the canoe. The first one of these types that I've gotten. Very nice. Very big. And then I got something quite old here. This has got King George on it. George V. And sorry, I keep flipping these like they're US coins. It's a dime. It's 10 cents. 1913. So a year before World War I. That's pretty cool. 0.925 silver. So very fun little piece of silver there, over 100 years old. And there's more. I've got 3 more things to show you here. So this is a mint set from Canada. This is from 1968. And this looks like the original packaging too. They come in these bags. I've seen these before from the US Mint as well. These bags, that is, not the coins. Love seeing these Canadian coins in this quality. You know, typically from this era, I just see really scratched up circulated ones. In the back, you've got all those portraits of the Queen. I love seeing, again, that canoe dollar from 68. You know, this is when they went to the Cooper nickel and brass and things. So obviously this one's not silver. I like this 50-cent piece too, with the coat of arms there. That's pretty darn cool. I actually haven't seen one of these before. Guess I have a long way to go for Canadian coins. 2 more things to show you. I got the White House US commemorative dollar, silver dollar. These are 0.9 silver. They always come with these certificates of authority, authenticity, I should say. I always feel like when I'm getting my motorcycle gear off in the winter, there's all these layers to get through to get to the coin. And here's the coin. So that nice mirror finish from the US Mint. A little bit of scratching there on the case and maybe a little bit of haze there on the coin, which is perfectly normal. It's been 30 years for this coin. I got James Hoban on the back, who I admit I don't know who he is, but I'll be sure and look that up. Yep, gotta love a proof dollar from the mint, from the US Mint. And lastly, this one I was pretty happy with. Got an 84 mint set from the United Kingdom. Look how much fancier this is than the one from Canada. And they've got this cheesy 80s rendition of Britannia. Very fancy, very British. So we've got a lot of fun read here that I'll catch up on. Look at the coins. This was really fun for me too. Again, I've only seen UK coins really beat up, scratched up. This is very fun to see these all in BU condition. And they're 30 years old, coming up on 30 years old. No, they're coming up on 40 years old. Gosh. I like that 50-cent piece. Seeing it look pretty clean there. And the pound, I actually don't have a pound, so that's fun. And then you flip it over, you get the backs. You can see those portraits of the Queen. They all look clean. Very nice. Don't know why I got this. Guess that's part of the deal. More read about the Scottish coins. And on the back you can see what they are, and looks like they're basically all Cooper nickel. Get some nickel brass there on the pound. So just base metals, but a very well packaged mint set that I for one particularly enjoy. Now, where did I get all these? Well, I got these from an awesome dealer. The name is Wilmore Coins. You can see it there on the screen. I've purchased from Wilmore Coins in the past too. Had a great experience. The shipping was fast, and look at this. Like, no negative feedback in the last 12 months. That's like nobody. Wilmore's got a lot of good stuff up right now. I'm giving him a shout out because I have had nothing but a great experience working with him. He also refunds you on the excess shipping. There's a lot of shady people out there on eBay. This guy's solid. So throw him some business if you can. I'm sure he'd appreciate it. What can you buy with $75? Drop me a comment and let me know. I'll see you next time. Thanks.